Refugee, pages 183 through 235 quiz. First, write your first name in the box provided. Now write your last name in the box provided. Select your cycle number. You're going to choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. Joseph's father jumped over the side of the ship and was eaten by a shark. A. True. B. False. Number 2. In Isabel's story, the boat is taking on a lot of water. How does the group plan to combat the boat taking on so much water? A. The group decides to head back to Cuba. B. The group decides to take turns swimming in the ocean. C. They call the Coast Guard for help. D. They put on life vests and decide to let the boat sink. Number 3. Mahmoud's father and brother died at sea. A. True. B. False. Number 4. What happened to Yvonne's leg while swimming in the water? A. He sliced it on the side of the boat. B. It got caught in the motor. C. It was stung by a jellyfish. D. It was bitten by a shark. Number 5. While waiting to get off the ship, Joseph hears the engines rumble to life. Where are they sending the refugees aboard the St. Louis? A. The American coast. B. The Bahamas. C. Germany. D. Syria. Number 6. Joseph's father is left in Cuba. A. True. B. False. Number 7. Senor Castillo dies right before Miami appears on the horizon. A. True. B. False. Number 8. Which of the following has not posed a threat for Isabel and the group on the boat? A. Sharks. B. Ship sinking. C. A storm. D. The Coast Guard. Number 9. Whose blood was all over Fidel Castro's face at the bottom of the boat Isabel's story? A. Senor Castillo. B. Yvonne. C. Isabel. D. Teresa, the pregnant woman. And number 10. Mahmoud and his family are taking a taxi to the Hungarian border. What does the taxi driver do that surprises Mahmoud? A. Gives them food. B. Points a gun at them. C. Lets them stay at his house.